In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Brave New Tab page and manage top sites. By the end, you'll know how to turn your shortcuts on or off. Choose between curated favorites or automatic suggestions, adjust a few other elements, and remove any individual shortcut you don't want to see. Start by opening a new tab. This is the canvas Brave shows whenever you're not on a website, and it's exactly where we'll make changes. Look toward the bottom right corner of the page for the Customize button. It usually appears as a small pencil icon. Click it to open the customization menu. In the menu, find the option labeled Show Top Sites. This switch controls whether the grid of shortcuts appears on your new tab page at all. If you prefer a minimal look, toggle it off. If you want quick access to your most used destinations, keep it on. Right under that, you can choose how these tiles are populated. Pick favorites if you want full control by manually curating the shortcuts you see. Choose frequently visited if you'd rather let Brave auto-populate the tiles based on your browsing activity. You can change your mind at any time, and the preview updates immediately so you can see the effect before you close the menu. While you're in this menu, you can also manage other elements of the new tab page like the search bar, Brave News, and the clock. These options let you keep only what helps you focus. For example, some people prefer a cleaner page with just a search bar, while others enjoy headlines and a prominent clock. Adjust them here to match your preference. Next, let's look at removing a specific shortcut. Open a new tab and move your mouse over the tile you want to remove. When you hover, a small pencil icon appears in the top right corner of that tile. Click that pencil to open the tile options, then select Remove. The tile disappears immediately. If it was a frequently visited site, keep in mind that Brave may add it back later if you continue visiting it often. In that case, switch to Favorites for full control. This removal does not delete any bookmarks you may have. It only cleans up the shortcuts on your new tab page. That's it. You've opened the customization menu, decided whether top sites should show, selected between favorites and frequently visited, adjusted other page elements, and removed unwanted tiles. Take a moment to experiment until the page feels just right. Then close the menu and enjoy a cleaner, more personal start every time you open a new tab.